Hey everyone, today gonna show you and compare these two foam sprayers, what I consider version 1 and upgraded version 2. So these are electric foam sprayers, of course from AliExpress, but I think you can find them on Amazon and so on. And today we're gonna compare the old version and the new version. So first of all, if you didn't see the video about the old version, please check out the links in the description. This one is already modified because I've put here in the nozzle extra mesh like this, and inside you have this flexible weighted tube instead of the regular plastic ones. And overall I would say these two have pretty same performance. I would say maybe the new one is a little better, but overall I think you don't buy the new version for performance because the difference is in other places. Okay, so let's check out. First of all, and it is the first thing that I've noticed, is the USB port. They both are using Type-Cs, but the old version has very flimsy Type-C port cover. So you try to put it back, but every time when you use it, see, it's like very easy to open. I don't like it. But on a new version, let me bring it closer. It's very nice, flush, absolutely flush with the handle. It's very difficult to open it. See, I'm doing it pretty hard. I'm rubbing it, and when you need to open, it's very easy. When you need to close, it's very easy compared to the old one, because immediately it's open immediately. Okay, second major difference is a trigger lock, because as you can see here, you don't have any trigger lock. You press, it works. That's it. On the new one, you have a trigger lock. So technically, you can press lock, and you just unpress it. Nice. So the style of button is a little different, right? And I like this one better, but it's not a big difference. Just big button is nice. Also, very important difference is the size. The old one is 1.5, the new one is 2 liters, and it is very nice. Also, the color. I like this one more because I can see like clearly from any angle how much water or how much product left here. But here, so for example, I can see every time I need to rotate. But here you have a measurement, same as here. But maybe because it is a contrast between green and white, it's a little easier to check here. But overall, I like the transparent, semi-transparent design here, but I like the 2-liter size here. And the good part about electric foam sprayers, that you can fill it up until the top and it will pump the air automatically, compared to manual one, when if you fill it out to the top, you need to pump, spray, pump, spray, so not very convenient. What else is different? Oh, the very good change is, as you can see here, you have 3 legs. 3 legs. That's why it is often does so something like this. It can fall down easily. as you can see now. This one have 5 legs, and it is much sturdier. So that is very nice. In terms of spray pattern, they are practically the same. So they're practically the same, they're pretty the same, but here is a major difference in the product difference, because I have a pre-wash in a new one and I have a foam shampoo in the old one. That's why the major difference is only with the product. The next difference is the loudness. The new one, I think, is a little quieter compared to the old one, but listen one more time. And very important is the charging here. They both can do around the same, because as you can see the battery size is around the same, but they can work around the same time for like 4 or 5 bottles without problem usually. And the difference here in the charging, this one can charge much faster compared to this one, and this one can charge with a fast charger with like fast cables, when this one it doesn't do it. It just refuses to charge if you don't use like some old crappy slow cable. Let me show you. No, will you be able to see? No, you can't see it. Here. Let me try like this. So the new one can charge, for example, now it's charging like 7 watts, around 7 watts, right? 5.1 volt, 1.4 amp. But if I've used the same black cable and put it to the old one, 1 second. Nothing happens. Just nothing. You need to use this like old slow charging cable to charge the old one. Let me demonstrate it. But it's actually very short. And oh, and of course it fell down. Yeah, here we go. It is charging with around 3 or 4 watts of power. So 5 volts, 0.7 amp. Like very slow charging speed compared to the new one. And the best part, not only the speed, but also that you don't need to run with this like old cables. You can use normal new cables with it. And don't tell me that it is because I didn't plug in the USB port. No, same. Pretty the same. And in the end, I want to answer the question, do you need to upgrade to this one if you already have this one? And my answer is no, actually. It's like more quality of life update, you know? So this is a great product. This is... Oh, it's 12 o'clock in Japan. So this is the great product, and this is the great product also. If you want to upgrade your manual foam cannon, yes, it's a great product. Or if you want to buy the electric foam cannon, also buy this one, right? But if you already have this one, I don't think it's like necessary to upgrade it, but it's a good upgrade. So thank you for watching. All the links are in the descriptions, and press a like, write a comment, ask me anything. See you.